Financial research is becoming agentic. Dexter is an open-source finance agent that takes a serious market question and turns it into a research loop. It plans the work, pulls financial data, reads filings, searches the web, checks what it found, and keeps going until it can answer. The bigger shift is what happens after parsing gets cheap. If an agent can read companies this quickly, the advantage moves from finding information to asking the right questions. The README describes Dexter as an autonomous financial research agent. The easiest way to think about it is Claude code, but pointed at company analysis instead of a code base. You ask about a stock, a company, an earnings trend, or a valuation question. Dexter breaks that down into steps, chooses tools, gathers evidence, and writes the answer from the work it actually did. That is different from a chatbot that just sounds confident. The tool surface is built around real finance work. There are meta tools for company financials, market data, SEC filings, and stock screening. Those tools are not just thin wrappers. The finance tool can route a natural language question into income statements, balance sheets, cash flow, key ratios, analyst estimates, earnings, and segment data. Instead of making the user pick the exact endpoint, Dexter makes the agent choose the right source. That matters because financial research is usually a messy bundle of tasks. You look up the numbers, read the filing language, check the latest news, compare the company to peers, and then decide what question still has not been answered. Dexter puts those pieces into one agent workflow. It is not trying to be a trading bot. It is closer to a research assistant that can keep a chain of evidence together. One of the best product choices is the Scratchpad. Every query creates a new-line delimited JSON file in the .dexter Scratchpad folder. It records the original question, tool results, arguments, raw data, summaries, and thinking steps. When an answer looks wrong, you are not guessing what happened. You can inspect the trail and see which data came back, which tool was called, and how the model interpreted it. The repo is getting real attention. GitHub shows 24,079 stars, 2,935 forks, TypeScript as the primary language, and 152 watchers. The default branch was pushed on May 2, 2026, and the latest GitHub release is v2026, 5.1 from May 1. The package file on main already lists version 2026.5.2. That is a lot of activity for a repo that was created in October 2025. The repo layout lines up with the README. You get a TypeScript and Bun App, a terminal interface, an agent core, finance tools, memory code, evals, cron jobs, skills, and a WhatsApp gateway. The README starts with the basic promise, then goes into setup, evaluation, debugging, and chat access. This is a useful structure because the repo explains both the user workflow and the internal agent machinery without hiding everything behind a hosted product. Under the hood, Dexter runs a normal but practical agent loop. It builds a system prompt, loads available tools, sends the user question to the model, executes tool calls, adds results back into context, and repeats until the model can answer. It also has iteration limits, context overflow handling, micro-compaction, and tool result budgeting. The system is not just asking a model one giant prompt, it is managing an ongoing research run. The financials tool is especially practical. It accepts a full natural language query and asks the model to route that query to the right financial subtools. If you ask for a 5-year margin trend, it can choose income statements and ratios. If you ask about debt, it can use balance sheet data. If you ask about estimates, it can reach analyst expectations. That routing layer is a cleaner experience than memorizing a menu of finance API endpoints. Dexter also has a filing reader. That matters because company analysis is not only numbers. The language in a 10K or 10Q can explain risk, management priorities, segment changes, and the story behind a margin move. The filing tool is designed as a two-step workflow. First, plan which filing content is needed, then retrieve the relevant sections. That is a good pattern for long documents because it narrows the read before the model burns context. For market data, Dexter separates prices and market events from fundamentals. There are tools for stock prices, crypto prices, company news, and insider activity. It also has web search, web fetch, and a browser tool for pages that need JavaScript or navigation. The workflow can combine structured company data with the messier surface area around the company. That is closer to how analysts actually work. Memory is another important part of the repo. Dexter can store notes in markdown files and index them with a local SQLite-backed memory system. The search path combines vector search, text search, temporal decay, and result diversification. The prompt specifically tells Dexter to recall goals, risk tolerance, position limits, and prior decisions before giving personalized financial advice. That is a sensible guardrail because finance questions depend heavily on user context. The eval setup is worth calling out. Dexter includes a finance agent CSV with 237 lines, an evaluation runner, a live terminal UI for progress, and Lang-Smith logging. The evaluator uses an LLM judge to compare Dexter's answer against a reference answer. That does not make the system automatically correct, but it gives the project a way to measure regressions. For finance agents, evals are not optional. The errors are too expensive to treat as vibes. The WhatsApp gateway is a practical distribution idea. You can link a phone, message yourself, and have Dexter respond in the same chat. There is also group chat support where Dexter responds when it is mentioned. This is not just a novelty. Finance questions often come up away from the terminal, and a chat gateway makes the agent feel more like a reachable analyst than a command line toy. Setup is straightforward if you're comfortable with developer tools. Clone the repo, install with Bun, copy the example environment file, and add the API keys you want to use. OpenAI is the default path, but the provider registry also includes Anthropic, Google, xAI, Moonshot, DeepSeek, OpenRouter, and Alama. For finance data, the important dependency is a financial dataset's API key. Exao or Tavily can add web search. The May 2026 release notes are focused on the working experience. Version 2026.5.1 adds live working indicator stats, better streaming lifecycle handling, more stable query rendering, and a fix for UI stutter from per-chunk render storms. That is a specific kind of maintenance. It means the author is polishing the agent while it is thinking, using tools and streaming output. For a terminal agent, that interaction quality matters. The second-order effect is the bigger idea. If agents can parse filings, statements, news, and market history quickly, then more people can know the basic facts about a company. The scarce skill changes. It becomes less about collecting information and more about framing the question. What would prove the thesis wrong? Which metric is hiding the risk? Which comparison actually matters? Dexter is early, but it points at that shift. Compared with a generic chatbot, Dexter has a better shape for financial work. The tools are domain-specific, the scratchpad keeps evidence inspectable, evals give the project a measurement loop, and memory can carry user constraints forward. Compared with a spreadsheet-only workflow, it can move across filings, web pages, market data, and prior notes in one run. It still needs human judgment, but it can remove a lot of the mechanical research grind. The trade-offs are real. Dexter needs API keys, market data access, and careful prompts. The repo is moving quickly, so pieces may change. The answers are only as good as the tools, data, retrieval, and assumptions behind them. It should not be treated as financial advice or a replacement for diligence. The right way to use a project like this is to make the research process faster, more transparent, and easier to challenge. Bottom line, Dexter is one of the cleaner examples of a vertical agent. It is not a general assistant with a finance label slapped on top. It has finance tools, filing readers, scratchpad logs, memory, evals, and a real interface story. If you care about where market research is going, this repo is worth studying. For more GitHub repo deep dive videos, subscribe to Build Things with AI.